Alrighty folks, 018 here. Got a donkey Stomper 1600HD-HG-16Pill. We changed this pill, this 10 ohm, this combiner resistor, and this combiner resistor right here. Blood one pill. Kudos to you for not sitting there and hammering it on down and messing up more. Had a little mishap with the driver and dicky run wide open. That's what happened. But anyway, let's see what she does here. Radio drive. The old Galaxy 88. Let's see. Let me turn it back on. All right, let's reflect. 5-volt reverse radio drive. Get on down, cheeseburger. Get on down. Half watt. All right. 2500 watt scale. Peak. Well, let's look at input to reverse radio drive. Get on down, 0. 2500 peak in. Get on down, cheeseburger. Get on down, cheeseburger. So 500 radio drive. That's good. I'm going to turn Texas starter on to start with. Wide open. We're going to be driving a couple hundred. We'll check it here. This is what we're driving with. Get on down, cheeseburger. Drive with about 200 is what it is. Turn it back on. Alright. 5-volt reverse. Get on down, cheeseburger. Get on down. We got about a little less than 2 watts replay. 2500 watt scale. Get on down, cheeseburger. It's thinking 2500. So this is a 200 watt PP drive now. Get on down, cheeseburger. Get on down, cheeseburger. Get on down, cheeseburger. Get on down. About 2900 at 14.8. 200 watt drive, 14.8, 2900. Getting on down. 10K slug. Getting on down. Now just for kicks, you know we gotta see it do a little more than that. So we can go ahead and hook up the old faithful, poor old Gatekeeper 2 pill he built me years ago that I drive and beat and talk on 24/7. I'm ugly to it. Alright. And turn it back on. What we're gonna try to do, we're gonna try to set him at 15.5. We're gonna try to set it at 500 watt drive. And so this is what it's do with 500 in. Let's see. Get on down, cheeseburger. Right on the money. You might have thought I know where that was. Let's see. Get on down. Right there's 500 drive. 2500 watt slug, 500 peak drive. And hello audio. Alright. Turn the 16 back on. See what happens. Reflect. Get on down. We got a little over 2 that time. 2500 watt PP. Get on down. Slam in the corner. Getting on down. 10,000 watt PP. Remember we ain't got no fans on 16 pills, so I'm not gonna get too crazy. Well, donkey Stomper, getting on down. 3500, getting on down. Donkey Stomper, getting on down. Worldwide. See how the heat is. She a little warm. She ain't hot. She ain't hot at all. Worldwide, get on down, get on down, get on down. About 3,500 there. Baker, get on down, my doggy Stomper. Anyway, I just wanted to run that a little bit harder so we can make sure everything's where it ought to be. We got her all fixed. There's your repair video. We'll get her packed up and shipped back out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis. Catch me later.